I'm Jim.
Hi, Terry Wilson home.
That's the name. Siri Castro.
Yes, not too many. When I saw that summer series, I was like, wait a minute.
Yes.
I don't even know. She's a little older.
Yes. That's where he was a little older. Yes.
Come here, I think we're matching.
I love that. Really liked it. So he
Yes.
just likes it.
It's like a song, like Princess Diana.
It's very like it's a
Yeah. Yeah. And now that he's letting it grow a lot, there's just a lot of
Just little white fuzz.
Yeah.
We don't need that in this little hut.
Your own feet.
I won't be bothered. Any questions?
I'm just here to absorb it.
He's not ours. We imported him.
Is
Yeah,
it throwback?
I might get recruited.
But everyone in this house
Mr. Shuck's grave is down this way. Gotcha. We have a grave.
Oh, out there.
Right.
Okay.
And Jonathan
Because if they had a
carved
house,
his
fireplace in the living room
Right.
for effect.
Right.
No, this is to keep the house in. But I welcome you to come back on a quieter day and we can sit and talk and we can learn things. A little boy.
Yeah, he says when he was a kid, my mom, like,
Well, see, I only
say that was like, TV and China. Yeah. Like, oh, that's jolly, like, that wasn't. That's what I mean. Very good, yeah.
You got a couple
Now the other
money.
one, Japan,
Someone's showing back there.
For Dolly? Almost. Okay.
The December meeting. So,
Well, we're not, oh, you mean the dinner, because we're not having a meeting.
No.
no, this is the dinner, but
Yeah.
she can read aloud. She has to let you know.
Yes.
The month ahead of time.
Yeah.
Who's running.
Okay.
Okay, gotcha.
Oh. Hello.
What was when you would do that? Next Sunday? If you wanted to go.